Hi guys, and welcome back to another Mujahid Gibran video. In this video, I have a Galaxy Buds Pro. So I basically face the same problem every single day when I try to play 360 audio degree. So I'm just facing some a little bit of lag, and I managed to fix it. And in this video, I'll show you how to get rid of this issue and how to deal with this annoying thing. So basically, guys, the 360 degree guys on the Galaxy Buds Live is only available on the audio, or not the audio on the video on YouTube, or on YouTube music app, on any other type of video things. So if you want to try to play it with just audio, that won't gonna work for you. But if you try with a video on everything else, that will be fine. And notes guys, the requirement of this video, you need at least a One UI 3.0 or above to enable 360 degree audio and enjoy the feature of that. That's the same things like on Apple headphones. It's called the spatial audio. So guys, the first thing, I'm already paired the Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Buds Pro. So it says connected, and you have 100% on the buds, and you do have a 51% on the case. So the main thing here guys, you need to do the first things. The first thing you need to do is press and hold on the wearable app and hit on information, and then on the storage section hit on clear cache and also data as well. This is the first step. When you're done from that, close it and head into the settings, and then scroll all the way down on about phone, and then on software information. And then on the software information, you need to hit on the build number several times until it says developer mode has been enabled. Okay, so I'll hit several times. Now its developer mode has been enabled. You need to enter your passcode to continue. Okay, entering passcode, go back again, hit on developer option and scroll all the way down until you see Bluetooth. Yes, Bluetooth audio codec. Okay, turn on Bluetooth audio codec. It's actually need to be on this one, SBC. When you switch into when you plug in your Galaxy Buds, it will automatically choose the suitable codec for you. But you need to lock it in here. You need to lock it in on the SBC. Every time you switching on or switching off your buds, it never change and it will be locked on here. Okay, hit on OK, and to make sure it's locked on this one, you need to turn off developer mode right away on the big toggle here. Just hit on this toggle, and now developer mode is being disabled, and it will go back. You see it's vanished or disappeared. So this is the second thing. The third thing is pull your notification down, pull your notification like this, and then hit on the Dolby Atmos and make sure it's turned off. Okay, Dolby Atmos, it must be turned off. When you play the audio, when the Dolby Atmos is on, it automatically will not turn on the 360 degree audio. Now we need to go back into Galaxy Wearable app and make the setup of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Waiting for loading. Hit on start, and then you need to choose your device. I'm already chose. I have my watch. It's not here, but I chose to connect with the Buds Live. Okay, now we're here on the setup menu. Okay, hit on earbud setting, and then hit on 360 degree audio. Hit on OK, turn it off, and then turn it on back again, and then go back again to your notification panel, and then turn on Dolby Atmos and make sure to toggle on movie. Okay, hit on OK, and now you're good to go. So I'm basically trying to test it with you, but guys, you know the drill. If you are playing music, will be have a copyright, but I'm trying to plug in one of my ears. Try to plug both of them. Okay, and see what is going on exactly this thing. Okay, you have to turn it into the video here in order to get the 360. Yes guys, it's working. It's working. Moving left, right. It's working guys. So this is the tips I've been looking for, and I have done a lot of things in order to get this thing working back again. And when I done this, it locked up in there. It was every single time I want to try to use this 350-degree audio, it's also lighting up like this. But I have almost 5 days or 60 days. There is no anything about lag, and there is nothing about what I have been done. So guys, this is it. So here, so catch you guys in the next one. Peace and have a great day.